Hey guys, it's Daniel. Today we'll be taking a look at the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE 5G. The phone is loaded with premium specs, including AT&T 5G technology, and it's a little lighter on your wallet. So let's dive into the box. On the inside top cover of the box is the SIM tray tool, and inside of the box here is the quick start guide and terms and conditions. On the top of the box is the phone, which I'll move to the side for now, and under here is the SIM card, the charging adapter, and the USB-A to USB-C charging cable. So that's it for the box. Let's take a walk around the actual device. It comes in a super nice finish. I'm holding Cloud Navy, but it also comes in trendy colors like Cloud Lavender and Cloud Mint. The 6.5-inch 2.5D display is surrounded by a colored bezel. And on the front here, you can see the cutout for the 32-megapixel front-facing camera, which is awesome for taking selfies. Turning it over, on the back of the phone, you can see the triple rear camera, which includes a 12-megapixel OIS, 8-megapixel telephoto, and 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens. On the bottom of the device, we have a speaker, the USB-C charging slot, and a mic port. And on the right side of the device is the power button and the volume key. On the top is another mic port and the SIM card tray. So let's power it up and check it out. What's really cool is that the Galaxy S20 FE 5G has many of the same features as Samsung's most premium devices. The large dynamic AMOLED display has a refresh rate of 120 Hz, and again, it's great for watching movies or gaming. You get great performance out of the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 processor, and it has a large 4500 mAh battery. You can turn your phone into a wireless charger with the innovative technology of wireless power share, also known as reverse charging. You really can't beat these specs, especially when it comes to the camera. So let's take a look. Samsung must have been considering just about everyone with this camera. It makes taking pro quality images a breeze. Single take is enabled by AI and lets you shoot multiple photos and videos in one take. You can also see how easy it is to switch between the standard, wide, and ultra-wide lenses. You'll get great selfies on the 32-megapixel front-facing camera too. And there are great added features such as space zoom that lets you zoom in 30 times, and night mode, which helps you capture images in low light conditions. So that's a look at the bold, unique, and powerful Samsung Galaxy S20 FE 5G. Thanks for watching.